everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, the place where you learn English slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm Jessica, and I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike. Thank you for joining us for another English conversation practice session.
Do you listen to my podcast while walking, cooking, traveling, or just relaxing? You're doing something great for yourself.
Yes, because practicing English every day is the best way to improve.
And don't worry, today's English is very simple.
Very easy sentences. Very clear English.
This lesson is especially for English beginners.
So relax, take a deep breath, and listen carefully.
And please remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need practice.
Exactly.
So Jessica, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you, Mike?
I'm doing well. A little tired, but happy.
Why tired?
Because I woke up early today.
Haha, same here. Waking up early is not easy.
Not easy at all.
But it feels good when you start your day early.
Yes, you have more time to do things.
Exactly. More time for breakfast, exercise, or just relaxing.
That's true.
Let's start with something very basic, a simple daily conversation.
Perfect.
Mike, let's imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, sounds good.
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Very nice and simple.
Yes, you can use this conversation anywhere.
At work,
At school,
or when meeting a new person.
even at the supermarket or in a coffee shop.
Yes, these are very common places to practice.
Now, let's try another greeting.
Sure.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well.
Great.
You can also say good afternoon or good evening.
Yes, depending on the time of day.
Good afternoon is usually from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m.
And good evening is after 5 p.m.
Exactly.
These small details are important.
See? Easy English.
No long sentences.
No complicated words.
Just simple, everyday English.
Now let's talk about names.
Very important.
Hi, my name is Jessica.
Hello, Jessica. My name is Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is a very polite conversation.
Yes, and very common.
When you meet someone new, this is perfect.
You can also say, pleased to meet you,
Yes, that's also very polite.
or it's a pleasure to meet you.
All of these are good.
Choose the one that feels comfortable for you.
Now, let's ask a question.
Okay,
What is your name?
my name is Mike. What is your name?
My name is Jessica.
Perfect.
Sometimes people ask, "What's your name?" with a contraction.
Yes, what's is short for what is.
It sounds more natural and casual.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about daily life.
Things we do every day.
Mike, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs and bread.
That sounds healthy.
Sometimes healthy, sometimes not.
Haha, honest answer.
On weekends, I sometimes eat pancakes.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Yes, with maple syrup.
Yummy.
What about you, Jessica?
I wake up early. I drink tea.
Tea again.
Yes, I love tea.
You really love tea.
Yes, I do. I drink tea every morning.
What kind of tea?
Green tea, usually. Sometimes black tea.
Do you put sugar in your tea?
No, I don't. I like it plain.
I like coffee in the morning.
With milk?
Yes, with a little milk.
And sugar?
Just 1 spoon.
Now, listeners, think about this question. What do you do in the morning?
Try to answer in English.
Even one sentence is good.
For example, I wake up at 7.
Or, I drink coffee.
Very simple sentences are okay.
The important thing is to practice.
Practice makes perfect.
Now let's talk about home.
Where we live.
Mike, where do you live?
I live in a small apartment.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
That's nice.
Yes, I like living with my family.
How many people live in your apartment?
4 people. My parents, my sister, and me.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it's always busy, but fun.
I live in a house.
Is it big?
No, it's small but comfortable.
Comfortable is a great word.
Yes, very useful.
It means you feel relaxed and happy there.
Exactly.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, a small garden.
What do you have in your garden?
Some flowers and a few plants.
That's lovely.
I like sitting in the garden in the evening.
That sounds peaceful.
It is.
Now let's talk about food.
My favorite topic.
I knew it.
What do you like to eat, Mike?
I like pizza.
Of course, you always say pizza.
I can't help it.
What kind of pizza?
Pepperoni pizza.
With extra cheese?
Yes, extra cheese is the best.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food, but not too spicy.
Same here.
A little spicy is good.
But very spicy is too much for me.
What food do you like?
I like rice and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
It is.
How do you cook the chicken?
Usually grilled or baked.
Healthy choice.
I try to eat healthy.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
Which vegetables?
Carrots, broccoli, and tomatoes.
I like tomatoes too.
They're very fresh and tasty.
What about fruit?
I love fruit.
Which fruit do you like?
Apples, bananas, and oranges.
Those are common fruits.
Yes, and easy to find.
I like strawberries.
Oh, strawberries are sweet.
Very sweet and juicy.
Now let's practice talking about time.
Very important for daily English.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
That's early.
Yes, but I like mornings.
I don't like mornings.
Many people don't.
Sometimes I stay up late.
Me too.
What time do you eat lunch?
Usually at 1 p.m.
That's a normal time.
Yes, right in the middle of the day.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7 p.m.
Same here.
Dinner is my favorite meal.
Why?
Because the whole family eats together.
That's nice. Family time is important.
Yes, very important.
Now, let's talk about work and study.
Okay.
Do you work or study?
I work.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
That's great.
What about you?
I study.
What do you study?
I study English.
Very good choice.
Haha, thank you.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
Online?
Yes, online courses.
That's convenient.
Very convenient.
Do you study every day?
I try to. At least 1 hour every day.
That's a good habit.
Consistency is important.
Yes, regular practice helps you improve.
Now, let's talk about friends.
Friends are important.
Do you have many friends?
I have a few close friends.
Are they nice?
Yes, they are very kind.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is John.
How long have you known him?
I have known him for 5 years.
That's a long time.
Yes, it is.
How did you meet?
We met at school.
Oh, school friends are special.
Yes, we have many good memories.
What do you do with your friends?
We play sports together.
What kind of sports?
Basketball and soccer.
That sounds fun.
It is. We play every weekend.
I like meeting my friends at cafes.
To talk and relax?
Yes, exactly.
What do you talk about?
Everything. Life, work, dreams.
That's what friends are for.
Now let's talk about hobbies.
Things we do for fun.
What are your hobbies, Mike?
I like reading books.
What kind of books?
Adventure books and mystery books.
Interesting.
Yes, I love a good story.
Do you read every day?
Almost every day. Before bed, usually.
That's a relaxing habit.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
I like listening to music.
What kind of music?
Pop music and classical music.
Nice combination.
Yes, depending on my mood.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, but I want to learn piano.
Piano is beautiful.
Yes, maybe someday.
You should try.
I also like cooking.
Oh, what do you like to cook?
Simple dishes. Pasta, salads, soups.
That sounds delicious.
I'm not a professional, but I enjoy it.
Cooking is a useful skill.
Very useful.
Now let's talk about weather.
A very common topic in English.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Perfect weather.
Yes, I love sunny days.
Do you like rain?
Sometimes, rain is relaxing,
I agree.
but I don't like very heavy rain.
Me neither.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring.
Why spring?
The weather is nice. Not too hot, not too cold.
And flowers bloom in spring.
Yes, everything looks beautiful.
I like autumn.
Why autumn?
The colors are beautiful. Red, orange, yellow leaves.
Autumn is very pretty.
And the weather is comfortable.
Yes, cool and fresh.
Now we want to talk directly to our listeners.
Yes, to you.
If you feel shy when speaking English, it's okay.
If you feel nervous, it's normal.
Everyone makes mistakes.
We make mistakes too.
Many mistakes.
Yes, many mistakes.
But mistakes help you learn.
So don't stop speaking.
Every mistake is a lesson.
And every lesson makes you better.
Don't be afraid to practice.
Practice with friends.
Practice with family.
Practice alone in front of a mirror.
Any practice is good practice.
The more you practice, the more confident you become.
And confidence is very important.
Yes, speak with confidence.
Even if you make mistakes,
People will understand you.
and they will respect your effort.
Learning a new language is not easy,
But you are doing it.
and we are proud of you.
Now let's do a short practice.
Repeat after us.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is...
Where do you live?
I live in...
What do you like to eat?
I like...
What do you do every day?
I
What time do you wake up?
wake up at...
Very good.
Great job.
Now let's practice some useful phrases.
Phrases you can use every day.
Repeat after me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
No problem.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Of course.
Of course.
These phrases are very useful.
Use them in real conversations,
They make you sound polite and friendly.
and people will appreciate your good manners.
Practice these sentences every day.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
Speak slowly
Speak clearly.
and speak with confidence.
Your English will improve,
Day by day,
step by step.
before we finish, remember this:
Learning English is a journey.
not a race.
Take your time.
Enjoy the process.
Celebrate small victories.
Every new word is a victory.
Every new sentence is progress.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening
Keep learning.
and never give up.
Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing your English.
Bye-bye.